Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of health and nutrition. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of sauerkraut, a superfood that can boost your immune system, aid in weight loss, and even improve your mood. Sauerkraut is not just a tasty condiment, but also a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with probiotics, fiber, and essential nutrients that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on healthy food facts. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage delicacy with a history spanning over 2,000 years. From its humble beginnings in China, where preservation techniques were vital, sauerkraut has become a beloved side dish and condiment in various cultures. Germany, in particular, holds a special appreciation for this flavorful creation. The word sauerkraut translates in English to sour cabbage. The fermentation process keeps bacteria from growing on the cabbage, which allows sauerkraut to stay fresh longer than unfermented cabbage. Through fermentation, cabbage's natural sugars are transformed by microorganisms, resulting in carbon dioxide and organic acids. This process fosters the growth of beneficial probiotics similar to those found in yogurt. Sauerkraut has a pungent odor and strong, sour flavor. In the United States, it is perhaps best known for its use on Reuben sandwiches. Unpasteurized sauerkraut is a natural source of probiotics that bolster your gut's defenses against toxins and harmful bacteria. With a rich array of beneficial bacteria, sauerkraut promotes digestion and overall well-being. It also helps restore the delicate balance of gut flora, disrupted by antibiotics, preventing antibiotic-related digestive issues. Packed with diverse bacterial strains and enzymes, sauerkraut aids nutrient breakdown for easy digestion. Sauerkraut is a powerful source of immune-boosting probiotics and nutrients. Its probiotics help maintain a healthy gut and strengthen the gut lining, preventing unwanted substances from causing immune responses. Regular consumption may reduce the risk of infections and promote faster recovery. Sauerkraut is also rich in vitamin C and iron, essential for a strong immune system. Sauerkraut can be a valuable tool for weight loss and maintenance. With its low-calorie, high-fiber composition, it also promotes the feeling of fullness and reduces calorie intake. The probiotics in sauerkraut may also contribute to a trimmer waistline by potentially reducing fat absorption. Numerous studies have shown that probiotic consumption leads to significant weight loss. In fact, participants given probiotics gain significantly less body fat than those on a placebo. However, individual results may vary, and more research is needed to determine the specific probiotic strains in sauerkraut and their weight loss effects. Your mood can influence your food choices, but the reverse is also true. What you eat can affect your mood and brain function. Recent studies reveal a strong link between the gut and the brain. The bacteria in your gut can send messages to your brain, influencing its function and perception. Fermented probiotic foods like sauerkraut contribute to a healthy gut flora, which can reduce stress and support brain health. Probiotics improve memory and alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, autism, and OCD. Sauerkraut also enhances the absorption of mood-regulating minerals like magnesium and zinc. Sauerkraut and/or cabbage contain antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that researchers believe can reduce the risk of certain cancers. The compounds may help prevent DNA damage, cell mutations, and excessive cell growth that can lead to tumors. Some studies suggest that cabbage and sauerkraut consumption can reduce the expression of cancer-associated genes. For example, women who consumed cabbage and sauerkraut regularly from their teenage years had a significantly lower risk of breast cancer. However, more research is needed to establish stronger conclusions. Sauerkraut is rich in fiber and probiotics, which can help reduce cholesterol levels. The probiotics in sauerkraut may also slightly lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Sauerkraut is also a rare plant source of vitamin K2, known to prevent the accumulation of calcium in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, it may also slow age-related bone mineral density loss and reduce the risk of fractures. When shopping for sauerkraut, keep these simple tips in mind to ensure you make the best choice. First, Opt for unpasteurized options. Store-bought sauerkraut is often pasteurized, which eliminates beneficial probiotics. Look for refrigerated varieties as they are less likely to be pasteurized. Always check the label to confirm. 2. Say no to preservatives. Some sauerkraut brands include preservatives, which can diminish the probiotic content. Choose brands that avoid the use of preservatives. 3. Watch out for added sugars. Genuine sauerkraut contains only cabbage and salt. While some variations may include additional vegetables, avoid those that add sugar or any unnecessary ingredients. In summary, sauerkraut is a powerful addition to a healthy diet. Its probiotics, fiber, and nutrients offer numerous benefits for immune health, digestion, weight management, and even mood. By incorporating sauerkraut into your meals, you can support your overall well-being and enjoy its delicious flavor. We do advise you consult with your healthcare provider before adding sauerkraut to your diet. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy food facts.